Minor repairs to a system are easy to repair and do not cause a lot of damage to other parts of the system. That can be repaired inexpensively and easily. So when a system has extensive repairs, that's when we would really want to tell a customer to think about replacing. So if there's either multiple repairs that need to be done at one time, or a major part of the system is not working and that can cause future damage to other parts. So an example would be a system that's low on refrigerant. This may be a minor repair because we can just add refrigerant. But if a system's been running with low refrigerant, just like running a car with low oil, it's going to start to damage motors, compressors, and other areas that still may be functioning, but running that system with low refrigerant has now caused